Alright guys, so I'm going to show you how to set up and use Intercom for your Apple HomePod. Now I have the second gen here, but this also works for the first gen, or for the mini. Alright, so first with your iPhone, now you're just going to open up the Home app. First to set up the Intercom. So in the top right corner, just press the circle with the three dots. And then you're going to press on Home Settings. Next, you're going to select Intercom. Alright, now for the first section right here, you want to select either when I'm home or anywhere. I'm just going to do anywhere. And here are the people that have access to it. And you also have which HomePods are going to use the Intercom. Alright, so after this, just press back. Alright, now there's two ways to Intercom from your phone. So the first way is using the app, and the second way is not using the app. So if you want to use the app, you are just going to press right here. So it kind of looks like a voice icon. Now I'm going to give you guys some more tips right after this. But basically just press the button and just intercom any message. And if you want, you can specify a specific room if you have multiple HomePods. Everyone should subscribe for more tech tips. Everyone should subscribe for more tech tips. Alright, so the other way to do this, guys, is just using Siri. So just for example, if you have Hey Siri set up, then you can use that. But I'm just going to hold down the side button. Intercom, it's time to wake up. It's time to wake up. Now, if you're on the receiving end of this, then you can reply with Siri. So just say something like, Hey Siri, I'm waking up, as long as the person has an iPhone. And hey guys, all there is to it. So hope this helped out.